Hey everybody, it's Rory from ANS Gear, and we're going to look at some helmets today. These are the ATH helmets from Valken. So we've got three in front of us. We have the standard ATH helmet right here. We have the ATH Advanced P and Advanced B right here. So this is the basic one, and these ones are the little bit more fancy ones that you see right here. So we'll kind of just look around the fronts of them and get an idea of what we're looking at. The enhanced, or the ATH, I should say, the standard ATH, is pretty standard fare for what you're going to see for a tactical helmet. It has the bungees on the front. It has the night vision mount on it. Now this night vision mount is not molded as one complete piece to the helmet. It has these rivets where it is attached to the front of the helmet. It's got your rail slots along the sides, so you can mount your action cameras or flashlights, lasers, whatever you want to put on the side there. Velcro along the top, so you can add patches or flags. On the inside of the standard ATH, you do have the foam, the foam core, the foam helmet itself, but then some nice soft padding that is in here. Now these pads are Velcro removable, but they're not too thick, they're not too crazy. They give you a little bit of extra just comfort on the inside. Chin strap on the front. Now this is an actual under the chin strap, not one that covers or cups the chin. And it's adjustable in its chin strap so you can make it tight. But the chin strap on these is really the only thing that is holding the helmet to your head. You can't adjust it anywhere on the inside. Moving over to the advanced version, the advanced P and the advanced B, really from an outside perspective, they are very similar to each other. The P has round or oval holes cut into it, and the B has a diamond-shaped cut on it. The P here has more Velcro over the top. This has less Velcro over the top. But those are kind of just cosmetic things that you're looking at right there. One major difference you'll see at the front is the night vision mount, or the mount at the front, is integrated into the front of the helmet. It's actually part of the front of the helmet. Whereas like the just standard ATH on this one, it is put onto the front of the helmet. So it is attached to the front of the helmet. The outside railing systems is the same. You're going to get, with the advanced version, you'll get two accessory pieces which will slide on. You get them in both right here, depending on the color. Major difference between these ones and this one, though, is on the inside. So you have your chin straps on these. So these come over, and it actually has a real chin strap that kind of goes around the chin to hold it securely in place. Right here and right here. But foam-wise, the foam is much thicker in these setups right here. So you can see how big these foam pieces are right there. So it has the soft padding, but also the larger foam pieces in there. You can move those pieces all over the place. All of these are Velcroed in. These, the side pieces and the back piece, so you can remove them, adjust them, and kind of really fit them to your head. But there's actually kind of a harness on the inside here that goes all the way around the circumference of your head, and you can control how tight that is around your head. There's a dial on the back here where this will tighten and loosen, and then you can also kind of just change the shape of it, not necessarily how tight it is, but actually how it fits inside there, and then lock that down and keep it comfortable so you don't lose those settings in there. So you get that in both of the advanced versions, the advanced P and B. You don't get that in the standard ATH one. So it really comes down to function and fit for you. If you're looking for more options, more ability to customize it and really fit it to your head, the advanced version is really what you're looking for. If you're not so worried about that, you just want a helmet that you can mount stuff to, and you're just going to make it as tight as possible, then you could just go with the standard ATH version. Now check the website for color availability between the three. The foliage, the dark earth, and the black are available through all of them, but they might have other colors that do pop up on there. So just check to see what's available and order your helmets through ansgear.com.